Whether I like it or not, vertical video is exploding, but the problem is cameras aren't really designed to shoot video in that format. So I'm gonna show you my favorite accessory for shooting vertical video, and it cost me less than 30 bucks. Real quick, if you guys enjoy useful tips for photography and filmmaking, please hit the subscribe button. It really means a lot to us. Most photographers and videographers have that one special pile of gear that just collects dust. They barely even touch it. But it was from that pile of gear that I was able to rig up the most useful accessory for shooting vertical video. So for me, technically it was free, but even if I was to buy it brand new, it would have cost me less than 30 bucks. The first piece is this old L bracket. I actually had two of them, and I never used them, and I'm pretty sure I got one of them at a garage sale for like $1 or something. The second piece is this cheap mini ball head. This one is made by Velo and probably cost me less than 20 bucks when I bought it brand new. This one actually had a hot shoe mount, but I removed it to expose the 1/4 threads underneath. With these two pieces of old cheap gear, I rigged up what was easily the most useful accessory to help me shoot vertical video with my A7R Mark III. Affiliate links in the description below. First, mount the ball head to the camera, then the L bracket to the ball head. Now you have a fully articulating handle that you can use to stabilize your camera in a much more comfortable way. You can secure the handle in whatever angle works best for the shot, whether it's forward, to the side, or as a top handle to get those low shots. Another nice thing about the flash bracket is that it has cold shoe mount, so you can pop in a Rode mic, a lav, or even a monitor. But just be careful because the cords can get in the way of your focus hand. So I know it's not exactly the Chris Hemsworth of camera rigs, but creativity is what it's all about. So go ahead and dig into that pile of unused gear and see if you can't rig up yourself a nice support handle to help you shoot better vertical video. If you can't find anything, like I mentioned before, I got some affiliate links below so you can check out what I'm using. If you guys found this useful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. If you've got any tips to shoot better vertical video, I'd love to see them in the comments section below. Until next time, again, my name is Kaviko with 9th Ave Studio, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Shoots!